Looks amazing. What do we got here? We got the country omelet. These ribs. Tonight, eating at Bad Brad's Barbecue. And it's a newer barbecue chain, I guess now. I'm not sure, but I ate at one a few years back that had just opened up on the east side. And right now I am in Orion Township. Oh, they got it right in the brickwork. With my buddy Charles, you guys saw him in a few videos. In Thailand, he's gonna come back to Thailand with me. Looks like they got a nice setup for the summer. And it's nice. Today was nice. The sky was so blue today and clear. It was amazing. Fresh air. I haven't had air this fresh in a year. Oh, it's that smell already, huh? So this is a first for me for a long time. Actually, a wait at a restaurant. 10 to 25 minute wait. Been a long time since I've had a wait to eat, but you walk in and you smell that barbecue and you gotta wait. So this is crazy. This is a barbecue meat chowder.
It gets dark pretty early over there. When you did this.
That's unreal. Look at that. Meat in there. It's like clam chowder, but barbecue meat.
Yeah, that's brutal on your body. That jet lag is real.
This is a real deal. This is good shit.
You're just having Amy and Cleve.
Check out these ribs. And I got chili cheese grits. Have not had chili cheese grits. Charles, you got with the greens and cornbread. That cornbread looks like a little pie. Yeah, this guy said he's going healthy, but he got these baked beans. There's probably 15,000 million calories in those baked beans. All right, guys, I'm going in for the chili cheese grits. This is something that I've just never even heard of. Creamy base of the grits, and you got that chewy, like a cheese pull on the inside with chili on top. That is really good. So smoky, so good, amazing. I've not had ribs like this since last time I was here. I don't remember the last time. Definitely don't get anything like this in Thailand. It's fucking hot. Today, coming back from up north in Michigan, St. Helens, did a little Google search to find the best breakfast around. And this place, Miss Michelle's, which is like part of this truck stop. Show that over there, the 76. And so it's a little gas station truck stop, but that's like a party store on one side. The other side's a restaurant. Came up with a 4.8 out of 5 on Google, which is ridiculous. So I'm thinking like, oh, they probably have like 3 reviews. No, they have almost 200 reviews, and everybody's talking about the sausage gravy. So let's get in there. I'm gonna have to order something with sausage gravy to see if it's as good as it's supposed to. This is it here, Miss Michelle's home cooking. Let's check it out. This is real up north Michigan type of restaurant, diner, restaurant. It's like a big meeting. I can tell you guys, one thing I do miss about America is the service. Now, we've been sitting in this place for, waiting for our food, probably about 15 minutes, and they must have came by, asked me if I wanted coffee, 10 times already. 8 times, but I already filled it up 3 times and keep coming by with coffee. More coffee, more coffee, more coffee. I miss the good service. That is something I miss from Michigan or America in general. Oh, this looks amazing. So we got the country omelet here, homemade sausage gravy. I read in the reviews that their sausage gravy is the best here. Look at that. Yeah, that's nice southern, even though we're in Michigan. Sausage gravy. This is supposed to be rye toast. All right, I'm about to dig into this country omelet. I try a little of this gravy. That's gonna be a few calories. Okay. Oh, thank you.
Sorry about that.
That's all right. I am so stuffed. Did you guys see the size of that omelet? And that sausage gravy was on point. It had like the right amount of pepper taste in it. It was just excellent. Great sausage. And I love how in that omelet, it wasn't like the links. It was like the sausage patties. And you could see they had just been grilled up. So, you know, if you want to drive to the middle of nowhere, I'm near like Sterling Standish area, Elgin. Was it Elgin? I don't know, but I'm near Sterling, Michigan. And this is a great place. I'll put a link in the description. Let's go. Prime rib at a bar in northern Michigan. Nothing beats it. All right, guys. Good seeing you again. See you next time I'm in town.
Coffee's tasty. Maybe I just eat it.
Are we ready to order?
What do you got there, Jim?
Steak omelet.
Same as me. Yeah, we're going healthy today. You want to try it or you want me to try mine?
I'll try it.
All right, let's see how it is.
A lot of red hot on this, right?
Oh, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. That's him.
Marble rye.
Wow.
Any jelly?
No, thanks. Thank you. All right, so we were told best breakfast in town. We had to wait. It's packed here, so let's see. The reason I had to get this because steak and mushrooms. I love steak and mushrooms. So they put the Swiss in top and inside. It's like all Swiss melted with the steak. It tastes like a steak sub, like, you know.
It's awesome.
Really good. I got to try these potatoes though. These home style potatoes. Grilled onions in it.
Health food.
Well, I hope it helps me do something. All right, guys.